You hear that? It's called silence. That's what God is calling us to. Some of his people sit in silence. Turn off your cell phones. Turn off your television, your YouTube. Sit in silence and listen to what he has created. Listen to him. Some of you have been stressing so much. Allow the Holy Spirit to renew you. And some of you don't know who Jesus is. He's calling you to a place of salvation and a new life in him. There is no peace in this world, but peace in God. It's not based on our circumstances. It's based on no matter what happens, God is in control. He's got me. My papa got me. It's based on that. I want to call y'all in to a place of peace, quietness, not with all the lights and the repeated and long noise all day, but sit in quiet. Have a good day.